Robinson here. Today I've come to do a small review on a Victron Simpliphi Fronius system. Okay, so what we're standing in front of is a small off-grid system. Now, this has been configured as a small off-grid system. Okay, so the Victron Quattro 48 volt 5 kilowatt inverter. Nice little unit, very controllable, plenty of power for a small to medium house. Now the Quattro also does come in 8, 10 and very soon 15 kilowatts. So no matter what your needs are, Victron will be able to cover that there. Okay, so we're looking here at their color controller. We can see, I'm not quite sure if you can see the detail there, the PV power is 771 watts. So that's charging, refilling the batteries, which is at 61%, and it's also covering some small AC loads, 250 watts. Okay, so going over a little bit further, we've got 3.4 kilowatt hour Simpliphi lithium batteries, LFP batteries. Now, these have only just come to Australia, these batteries, and I'm very excited about them. They're a very simple battery to use. Not sure if you can see there, it's got a small on-off switch in here, and what you can't see any data cables or anything, and that's because the battery management system is already built into the batteries. So in this case, we've got three batteries installed, but what we could do is install one battery, and next year install another one as your needs rise, and next year install another one. And that's because the battery management system is built into each battery. This is going to make changing over to a high-tech battery from an existing off-grid system extremely easy. Very excited about those. Those batteries are only about 25 kilos each. We're looking at the Victron Blue Solar charge controller. So this one's 150 volts input, 100 amps output. So that's a very sizable regulator. At 48 volts, that'll be able to do about 6 kilowatts of solar panels. One thing that it's extraordinary and is only available from Victron is you can put on lots more power, lots more solar panels, so you can overpower it. What will happen is it'll only output 100 amps to the batteries, but 100 amps at 48 volts is quite reasonable. The other thing with the Victron range of equipment is that you can have AC coupling. So that means a normal AC solar inverter, in this case the Fronius Galvo, it could be the Fronius Primo, no problems. And then, so then that powers the switchboard, and any power left over from the switchboard after it's covered the load will go back via the battery inverter into the batteries. Okay, so what's not immediately apparent here is a couple of things of why you'd want to do that. So then that means that those solar panels and that inverter could be on a shed further away from the batteries and inverter, and then just come in via an AC switchboard and then go there. So in other words, if we had a DC coupled system like this one here initially, and then we wanted to add another unit or bungalow or shed or something like that, then later on we would add something like the Fronius and connect it via the AC switchboard. Makes life extremely easy. Instead of doing a whole new separate system for that shed or that studio, that means we can have just one battery inverter, one set of batteries, one generator. Okay, so then we have a small but quite high-tech off-grid system or hybrid system, whichever way you like. Okay, thanks very much.